Hello everyone, this is the Temu online shopping app. We will accept the privacy and cookie policy. We will sign in at the bottom. I'm going to sign in using Google. On the top, we have the search bar. Below that, we have the categories. You can tap on the specific category that you want, or you can swipe on the screen to go through the categories. Below that, we have the free shipping information. There is free standard shipping on all orders and free express shipping on orders over $129. Next to that, we have free returns within 90 days information. Underneath that, we have safe payment, security and privacy, and purchase protection information. These are the safe and secure payment methods that you can use. Below that, we have categories, recommended products, bestsellers. Let's go ahead and go through buying a bestseller. We will select the size and the type and the color. Add to cart. We'll tap on the cart button. The checkout is $10 minimum. You can add other items by clicking on checkout and then selecting a product, or you can just simply add 2 items. We're going to tap checkout. You will tap continue checkout. These are the countries that are supported by the app and serviced by the app. I'm going to select United States. I'll type in my address. Put in my phone number. Tap save. We're going to select the payment method. You will select the shipping method. I'm just going to use standard free. Scroll down. We're going to tap on submit order.